Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Creative Supply Caddy is probably one of the most versatile and essential organizational tools for any crafter, artist, or DIY enthusiast looking to streamline their workspace and keep all their essential tools and supplies within easy reach, ensuring a more productive and enjoyable creative process without the constant interruption of searching for misplaced items. Number 5. US Art Supply 96-Slot Marker Organizer. Introducing the US Art Supply 96-Slot Marker Organizer. It's designed to keep all your art essentials in one place. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. You'll have it ready for use in no time, making your workspace instantly tidier. With 96 individual slots, every marker, pen, or brush has its own space. This ensures everything is easily accessible when you need it. Tired of searching for your supplies? This organizer eliminates clutter, allowing you to focus on your creativity instead of the mess. It's perfect for a wide range of art supplies, from markers and pens to paint brushes and colored pencils. Keep your creative tools neatly arranged. Stop wasting time digging through drawers. With this organizer, your favorite supplies are always within reach, so you can get straight to creating. What we like? This organizer offers a quick setup for a large number of items. If you have a vast collection of markers, pens, or colored pencils and need a dedicated, clutter-free space, this is an excellent choice. It keeps everything accessible, saving you time searching for your supplies. What people say. This holder has a round bottom piece, a round top piece with the holes for brushes, and 3 triangular legs to assemble and use. Take seconds to assemble, as the top and bottom of the legs are tapered, and different sizes. The legs fit nicely and tightly, without needing excess force to assemble or remove. When assembled, it is sturdy and nicely holds my brushes, from size 12 round to 000 liner brush. Sturdy for paint brushes or colored pencils. This organizer works perfect with markers and small stencil brushes. Easy to put together also. Number 4. GenCrafts Watercolor Brush Pens. Unleash your creativity with 20 vivid colors. These pens offer exceptional blending and stunning visual effects, perfect for bringing your artistic visions to life. Experience superior quality and outstanding value. This set includes a bonus refillable pen, making it a cost-effective choice for artists of all levels. Achieve precise control with genuine nylon brush tips. You can create everything from fine details to broad strokes, enjoying the feel of traditional brushes with pen convenience. Crafted for durability and ease of use, these pens are built to last. They are suitable for all skill levels and offer the reliability you need in your artistic tools. Enjoy vibrant watercolor painting without the mess. These pens are pre-filled, washable, and non-toxic, allowing you to create anytime, anywhere without extra supplies. Take your art on the go with these portable markers. They provide a convenient way to paint without water cups or palettes, ensuring a clean and easy experience. What we like? Experience the feel of traditional brushes with the convenience of a pen. If you are looking for vibrant watercolor effects and precise control without the mess, these are perfect for you. They are ideal for artists on the go or anyone who enjoys portable, easy-to-use painting. What people say. They have so many colors. Super easy to use and blend. The pens are durable and super fun. Number 3. GAMENOTE Rainbow Wooden Desk Organizer. Add a splash of color to your space with this vibrant rainbow caddy. It's perfect for keeping all your essentials like pens, markers, and scissors neatly organized and easily accessible. Crafted from natural wood with a safe, non-toxic rainbow paint, this organizer is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it's child-friendly for users aged 3 and up. Ready to use right out of the box, place it in your office, classroom, or bedroom. It's a space-saving solution to keep your area tidy. This rainbow organizer is more than just storage, it's a beautiful piece of decor. Its cheerful design will brighten up your study area and keep it clutter-free. Packaged in a sturdy gift box, it makes a wonderful present for students, teachers, or any child. It's an ideal choice for back-to-school, birthdays, or holidays. What we like? Add a splash of color and fun to your workspace with this charming organizer. If you're looking for a safe, sturdy, and visually appealing way to store art supplies for children, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for kids' rooms, classrooms, or as a delightful gift. What people say. The caddy has multiple compartments that are perfect for organizing craft supplies. It's made of durable plastic and seems like it will hold up well over time. The rotating base makes it easy to access all the different sections. Number 2. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, designed to make learning an adventure for children aged 6 to 10. It brings educational games to life in a magical way. Watch as they interact with physical game pieces that come alive on their screen. This kit fosters essential skills without needing an internet connection for gameplay. Dive into 5 fun-filled apps covering math, spelling, drawing, and problem solving. Each game is designed to be both entertaining and educational. Develop critical thinking, creativity, and academic skills. It helps children learn through experimentation with instant feedback, building confidence. With adjustable difficulty levels, it supports learning from beginner to expert. This ensures the fun and learning continue as they grow. This kit includes the Osmo base, reflector, tangram pieces, numbers tiles, words tiles, and access to all 5 game apps for hours of educational fun. What we like. This is not a typical supply caddy, but an interactive learning system. If you have children aged 6 to 10 and are looking for an engaging way to boost their skills in math, spelling, and creativity, this is an outstanding choice. It turns screen time into productive, educational fun. What people say. We were able to use our own dry erase board for the Masterpiece app as well, and he loves Mo the monster. I love that they include the plastic storage containers, which will help keep the cards organized and from getting messed up. It is easy to adjust the level as they get more capable. There are also lots of add-ons to expand the use of this. Number 1. GAMENOTE Rotating Art Supplies Organizer. Introducing our innovative organizer, designed to simplify your life. With a smooth 360-degree spin, accessing your supplies has never been easier. This organizer features large, removable cups perfect for all your essentials. The unique groove design ensures they stay put, even when it spins. Each container has an easy-to-grab handle, making it simple for anyone to use. The anti-slide bottom keeps it securely in place. Crafted from sturdy, high-quality plastic with a rounded design, it's built to last. It's the perfect organizational tool for any young learner. Comes in an attractive packing box, making it an ideal gift. Inspire creativity and keep any space tidy with this thoughtful present. What we like. Effortlessly access all your supplies with a simple spin. If you need a large capacity organizer for a variety of art or office items and appreciate easy retrieval, this Lazy Susan style caddy is ideal. Its removable cups make it versatile for different needs and easy to clean. What people say. It can be used for all kinds of things. We use it for coloring supplies. It washes well with soap and water. The spin is smooth, she can find what she needs without tearing everything apart, and it keeps the whole setup feeling intentional rather than chaotic. 6 compartments gives you actual room to organize markers, colored pencils, stickers, glue sticks, whatever your kiddo is into. And all the compartments come out for cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.